With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. A proton moving with a velocity of 0.125 into 10 to the power 5 meter per second collide with a stationary helium atom. Velocity of the proton after the collision is. So if I write down the mass of the proton, it is 1 AMU. We know that atomic mass unit. And mass of the helium, it is 4 AMU. That is 4 times of mass of the proton. Now the question is, one mass whose mass is 1 AMU collide with another mass whose mass is 4 AMU, that is m and 4m. Right. Initial velocity, let's say I write down this as v0. And let's say after the collision, they both have velocity v1 and v2. We want the v1. If you see v1 and v2, we want the v2. So the collision here is elastic. So in elastic collision, we know that E is equals to 1. That is velocity of separation by velocity of approach before the collision will be equals to 1. Right. So velocity of separation, you can see it is v2 minus v1. And velocity of approach is v0. It will be equals to 1. Right. You can write down v2 minus v1 is equals to v0. Now, here the momentum will also remain conserved. Initial momentum, you can see only m mass is moving. It will be this. Final momentum, I will write down m v1 plus 4m mass is moving with velocity v2. Right? Equate them. I will write down initial momentum is equals to final momentum. m v0 is equals to m v1 plus 4m v2. You can cancel out this m common in all of them. Right, we want the v1 here. So we got here v0 is equals to v1 plus 4v2. Right. So if you see, if I multiply this equation by 4, then I will write down 4v2 minus 4v1 is equals to 4v0. Right. Equation 1, equation 2. Subtract them. Right. If you will subtract them, this v2 term will get cancelled out. Right. So I will write down equation 2 minus equation 1. So if you subtract them, this 4v2 will get cancelled out and you will get 5v1. Right, v1 minus of 4v1, it will be 5v1. It is equals to, if you see here, v0 minus 4v0, it will be 3v0. Right. So I will write down minus 3v0. So I will write down this v1 is equals to minus 3 by 5 v0. v0 is given in the question, it is 0.125 into 10 to the power 5. Put the value, it is 0.125 into 10 to the power 5. Finally, you will write the v1 is equals to, if you see, this will get cancelled out by 0.025. Into 3, it will be 0.075 into 10 to the power 5 meter per second. And this is the answer of this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.